So the sun's gonna mess us up a little on this video, but had this out getting ready to get it serviced. I wanted to shoot a quick video of this Explorer hardtop conversion Chevy all-wheel drive van. This van was actually owned by a fellow dealer, and he used it for his family for multiple trips over the last 2 years. Our buyer saw it and fell in love. And once it arrived, we understand why. This van is clean, well accessorized, tow hitch on the back, left and right side doors, upgraded GM aftermarket wheels, brand new tires. He said he just spent $4,000 to $5,000 in upgrades and maintenance, and we believe it. Usually driving one of these, we can pick them to death or check engine lights and trouble codes. Nothing. Got the mesh grill, the hot top roof. In its day, obviously the Explorer conversion van was the most expensive van. This is the limited SE. If you went to GM, there wasn't a Corvette, there wasn't a pickup truck, there was nothing that cost more than this van did. Nowadays that's a little different, but you can see the upholstery. This van does have 193,000 miles. You would never ever know. This van would be over $100,000 today to order. It's got an upgraded Sony stereo. Air conditioning works great. Rear view camera built into the rear view mirror. Mood lights, running lights, all kinds of lights throughout this whole thing. And they actually work. Built by Unique Limousine, which I guess is the seats, or maybe that was the company name that bought it new, because it was built by Explorer, which I believe is out of Indiana. That's a PlayStation. Rear controls. Big flat screen television. I think the wood would be called burl wood or marbleized burl wood. Blinds on the windows. I did notice one blind on one of the windows seemed to be broken. They're pull down shades. It's there, but I think the elastic's gone out of it. Back seat makes a bed. 4 captain's chairs. Even the entry area still sparkles. Most of the time that's all beat to heck getting in and out. Upgraded speakers, Rockford. Zipper compartments on the doors. Power reclinable adjustable seats that are also heated. OnStar. To be black, it's got a clean body. There's a nick here and a ding there, but overall not terrible. That's the air compressor. Storage compartment back here. Not sure how that opens. Oh, that's the power bed. It actually works like it's supposed to. Crazy. One other nice feature of this one is it's actually got a forward and backwards feature, as well as up and down. So if somebody's got some long legs, you can slide it back. If you got a bunch of storage, you can slide it forward. That usually never works. I thought that was gonna be a fail right there, but it works. All-wheel drive on top of everything else that's cool on this van. So if you're in the upper states where you get bad weather, this thing will still go. If you're in the area where you got some sand, not the Outer Banks, but this thing will still go. A lot of places that are rear wheel drive will not. So good looking van. We had to step up to buy this. I would have loved to have bought it for cheaper, but you get what you pay for. You 100% get what you paid for. The fiberglass running boards are not all broke, like typical. No check engine lights, no trouble codes. Even the compass works. Rear view camera works like it's supposed to. Like I said, all the lights work. We'll turn those off so it doesn't kill the battery. Dash is in good shape. You're not just buying an old wore out piece of junk with this one. It is a very, very nice unit. Don't miss out. Actually, it's got a built-in cooler too. I thought it did. And that's removable. That console's got clasp on it, so you can remove it. Some people put a different stand or something in here. But don't miss out on a nice luxury traveling van. This thing is 100%. My buyer personally drove it in, even though the sales guy we got it from said it was right. He drove it just about 2 hours with 0 issues. So a legitimate, clean, ready to go van for a fraction of new. Perfect travel vacation van. Check the website. Thanks for watching.